you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the January Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So like the name implies, this is an essential oil box. So inside every month you get 4 essential oils and some other items to make around 6 recipes every month. There's always a theme. It's so good. I've been getting this for a while. So I can't remember what the January theme is going to be. They usually give a sneak peek at each box, so this will be a surprise. We'll see in just a moment. So the pricing is $39 and you're supposed to get over $150 worth in value. I do have a code, and if you guys are interested, definitely use this code because it helps you out a lot. So it's kitty free. I'll leave this all down below, but when you use my code, when you sign up, you'll get a $40 gift card for their website, and you also get a $40, well, it's a value of $40. It's called a bonus box, and it'll give you things you need to complete some recipes. So it's a great deal. Definitely take advantage of that if you are interested. This box does sell out every single month, but they just started a new thing. When the box does sell out, you'll still get a box shipped to you immediately. They call it like the starter box. So if you're interested in this box specifically after seeing this, make sure to subscribe soon because it's available as of today, I believe. But if not, don't worry, you'll still get something really good in the mail. So here's the box. This box also gives back to charity. Every month, 13% of their profits go to different charity oh my god, my cat's rubbing against the tripod. But let me get back to this. So every single month, they give 13% of their profits to charities that help prevent human trafficking. So I love that about them. 13% is a huge chunk of their profits, so that is great. But anyways, let me stop rambling. Let's open the January Simply Earth box. So when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. So right on top, this is super convenient. I love that they do this. They have stickers to go with your projects so you can label everything you make. And then here are the recipe cards. I love these. So we'll go one by one, but the cards give the directions and then other useful information. So I have a crying cat here, Archer. But there is a note on the back of one of the recipe cards that is a note from Katie. She's a recipe formulator and certified aromatherapist. She says, "Hi friend, how's the new year going for you? This month's theme is winter wellness. And if you're reading this recipe card, you are already taking charge and making your 2020 less toxic. It's easy to come up with excuses to avoid self-care." Archer, I'm filming. So rude. That all too common feeling, I'm not worth it. Archer, come here, what's wrong? Archer, come here. You want to be in the video? Come here. I was going to try and pick him up, but anyways, sorry. This budget-friendly box is everything you need to give yourself a little love this month. On top of all of that, these recipes are so quick and easy that I promise you'll find the time for them if you try. The recipes in this box will help you focus, support your body's natural processes, and refresh you. Plus, they're toxin-free, so you don't need to worry. I hope you enjoy this box. I'm sure we will. And then underneath all those cards, this is what it looks like. So they pack your oils really nicely, and here are some extra items to help us out with the recipes. So what I'm going to do is just go one by one through the recipe cards, and then I will grab what we need, and yeah, let's start. So the first thing I see here, this is the Relief Roll-On. Says the time to make this is 2 minutes and the estimated shelf life is 1 year. So for ingredients, you need 8 drops of Relief Essential Oil Blend, 9 to 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 ml roll-on bottle. So when you sign up using my code in that bonus box I was talking about, you'll get that fractionated coconut oil and roll-on bottles. So let's get that Relief blend out. That sounds nice. I love how they label their essential oils. So all of them are 100% pure essential oil and 15 mLs. And on here it'll tell you the uses, the ingredients. If it was just a pure oil, or just not a blend, like one oil, it'll tell you like the plant part and where it's from. It also tells you like what the child age is. So certain oils shouldn't be used on kids. So it says, do not use undiluted on skin. So we're gonna dilute that with the coconut oil, so that is fine. And this one says to keep out of reach from children. So that is what I was reading from. Let's take a sniff. It smells good. So the ingredients in here are rosemary, juniper berry, eucalyptus, peppermint, and something I don't know, copaiba oil. So it says this is supposed to relieve sore muscles to relax after a long day. And it smells so good too. So for the instructions, you just add the essential oil blend to the roll-on bottle and fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And then to use, apply to pained areas and gently massage. So this is the card I was reading from. On the back of this card, it tells you more about all of the oils that come inside and the uses for them, the kid safe. So for this relief blend, it says specifically kids 10 and over. So they said avoid with children, but if they're over 10, it's okay. And it's not pregnancy safe or cat or dog safe. I love that they started to include the cat and dog thing. As you guys know from this video specifically, I've got cats. So definitely don't want to diffuse things specifically around them. Roll-on balls, that's fine. You know, just don't roll it on your pets, please. Don't do that. And like I said, if you ever have questions about any oils or anything like that, for pets, contact your veterinarian, and kids, pediatrician. If you have any questions. But I love that they provide that information, so I will leave this card out specifically so you can look at the child safe age and the pet stuff. So let's move on to the next one. This is the Refresh Spray. It says the time to make is 2 minutes and the estimated shelf life is 6 weeks. So for this, you'll need distilled water, witch hazel, which is optional, lemon essential oil, hoe wood essential oil, and 1 drop of the Relief essential oil in a 2-ounce spray bottle. So let's get, I'm so glad we got lemon. I love the scent of lemon. So let's look at that first. So here is the lemon bottle. So on here it says, again, it's 100% pure essential oil, 15 mLs. It comes from the plant part fruit peel. Its origin is Argentina. Ingredients, citrus, limon, and the aroma is sweet and citrus. And it says this is child safe for 2 and up. And it is pregnancy safe, and it is okay around dogs, but not cats. And it's supposed to uplift, clarify the mind. I love the scent of lemon. It's so nice. Love it. And then hoe wood. I definitely don't have hoe wood in my collection. I think I'm out of lemon too, so that's great. I have a pretty large essential oil collection now, and I love it. So hoe wood. It says, again, 100% pure essential oil, 15 mLs. This is from the plant part twigs. It's from China, and its aroma is woody and floral, and it's safe with kids 2 and up. Definitely earthy. It's not like too woody. I thought it would be like more like wood smelling, but there is a like floral part to it too. I like this. So what does it say about this? So this is supposed to assist meditation. That's something I want to incorporate in my life. I need to learn how to do that. Calms, cools, relieves pain, supports immune system. Again, it's safe for kids 2 and up. It's pregnancy safe, and it says use caution around cats and dogs. And we already talked about the relief drops. So to do this one, or to make this Refresh Spray, you add all the ingredients to a spray bottle and swirl to mix. To use, shake and spray. You can spray the spritzer to refresh fabric or the air. That's a good idea. I love that. For, like, pets can be smelly, so it says use caution, so I don't know if I would spray it near them, but I would maybe spray like my linens or something away from them. So it says, no, adding the witch hazel to this recipe will help the essential oils incorporate into the water and add toner benefits to this spray. If you don't have witch hazel on hand, you can replace it with more distilled water. So that is the card I was reading from. Next up, we have the Relax and Detox Foot Bath. It says the time to make this is 1 minute and the estimated shelf life is 3 months. So ingredients, you need 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 4 drops of the hoe wood essential oil, 3 drops of clary sage essential oil, 1 cup of Epsom salt in an 8 to 10 ounce jar or similar container. So the one ingredient we haven't talked about yet, or essential oil we haven't talked about yet, is the clary sage. So this again is 100% pure essential oil, 15 mLs. It is from the leaves and flowers of the plant. Its origin is France, and its aroma is herbaceous and floral, and it is child safe for those 2 and up. It is pregnancy safe, cat safe, and dog safe. So this is safe, good to know. It says its uses pain relief, circulation support, anxiety relief, and hormone balance. Yeah, it smells like sage, very, very earthy, herbaceous. So in a small bowl, you're supposed to mix the essential oils and fractionated coconut oil together, add the salt and stir until the oil is evenly incorporated, store in a sealable container, and to use, add 1/4 cup of the recipe to a foot bath and fill the rest of the way with warm water. Relax and let the bath do its work to detoxify and promote circulation. That sounds nice right now. And on the back of this card, it talks about their toxin-free community. So they have a Facebook group. So if you're a subscriber, you can join that group. That is great. Get more inspiration for your recipes and stuff like that. Ask any questions. The next recipe is called the Meditation Diffuser Blend. So for this one, it says it takes 1 minute, estimated shelf life is 2 years, and the ingredients are 2 drops of hoe wood essential oil, 3 drops of lemon essential oil, and 5 ml blend bottle. And all you do is add the essential oils to the diffuser and diffuse in an open room. If you love this meditation diffuser blend, create a master blend filling a 5 ml bottle from your bonus box using 40 drops of hoe wood essential oil and 60 drops of lemon essential oil. Add 3 to 5 drops to your diffuser. This blend will deepen meditation and promote mental clarity. Nice. Oh, and on the back here they have something new. It says introducing our all new essential oils for beginners course. It's free for all subscribers, so I could do it for free, and it has a value of $249. Wow. So it says starting this month you can become an expert in making your home toxin free with our essential oils for beginners course. Modules will be released weekly over the next few months, but you'll have as much time as you need to get through it. As long as you're subscribed, you'll have free access to the course. Join us as we launch a new section of our course each week to learn how to use essential oils safely, how to blend essential oils, how to use essential oils in cleaning, wellness, skincare, beauty products, bath products, and more. So cool, I'm totally gonna check that out later. That's awesome. I think that's so great they're doing that, and I love that it's free for subscribers. That is such an awesome new perk. All right, we have 2 left. We have here the Relief Massage Oil. This takes 2 minutes and it has an estimated shelf life of 2 years. So what you need for this is 20 drops of the Relief Essential Oil Blend, about 1 ounce of avocado oil in 1 ounce container. So we have some avocado oil here. So this is 2 ounces of 100% pure carrier oil. Yeah. So it says avocado oil is useful for nourishing sensitive, inflamed, dry, and mature skin. When used regularly, this carrier oil can help prevent wrinkles and stretch marks. For more ideas on how to use this product, visit our product page at simplyearth.com. Cool. And we have a container here and a spray bottle. So in that spray recipe I was just talking about, here is a spray bottle for that, and I'm guessing this is our 1 ounce container. Yeah, cool. So it says add your essential oils to the container, add avocado oil to container, and swirl for 30 seconds. And to use, pour a dime-sized amount and massage onto desired area for soothing pain relief. And then the last but not least recipe today is the Circulation Boost Body Butter. So this takes 10 minutes plus 1 hour to cool, and it has an estimated shelf life of 3 months. The ingredients are half a cup of coconut oil, solid, half a teaspoon of beeswax, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 25 drops of the clary sage essential oil, 50 drops of hoe wood essential oil, 30 drops of the lemon essential oil, and a 6 to 8 ounce jar or sealable container. So in a double boiler, melt the coconut oil and beeswax together. Once the mixture is just melted, remove from heat. Add avocado oil and essential oils and stir until just combined, about 30 seconds. Let the mixture cool for 5 minutes and place it in the fridge to continue cooling until the mixture solidifies. Using an electric mixer, whisk the mixture until stiff peaks form or until desired consistency. And then instructions continue on the back. It says, transfer the mixture into a sealable container, and to use, apply a small amount to moisture and nourish your skin while supporting your circulation. And tip, if the body butter loses its consistency, whip it up again for a fluffy body butter. Awesome, totally gonna do that. So that is everything that came in our box. I think this is such a fun box to get. I love that they provide all this information, and I think it is so great now that we have a free course to do too. I would love to learn more. Like I said, I've been building up a lot of essential oils in my collection, and I would love to find out more ways to use them. I mean, they give us a bunch of ways in each box, 6 recipes, but I'm always open to new ideas because these bottles, they're 15 ml and they last a long time. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for being here and watching. I love you so much. If you have any questions or whatever, just leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.